Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today is going to be a long ass reaction because I'm going to be listening to the entire album Still Here by Krishna. So I'm going to just pop out the track list over here, and there are 9 tracks, out of which I have already reacted to 2 songs, which is Fall Off and Na Hai Time. So I'm not going to repeat listening to these 2 songs. Rest of the songs I'll go one by one, starting with Still Here intro. Now, जिनका म्यूजिक वीडियो है ऑलरेडी, आई विल ऑफ कोर्स लुक इन टू द म्यूजिक वीडियो, आई रिएक्ट टू द म्यूजिक वीडियो, एंड जिनका नहीं है आई विल रिएक्ट टू द लिरिक वीडियो. सो I'm really excited to listen to this entire album because as a newbie Desi hip hop listener, I still don't have much in-depth knowledge about the Desi hip hop scene, but I'm getting there slowly. So with Krishna, of course, what I'm expecting is great wordplay. Sorry, bars is what you call, amazing bars is what I am expecting. And I'm gonna give you my preferential ranking, and this ranking is just gonna be based off not really I don't really understand hip hop in depth, but just as a new listener, how it sounds to my ears, what I like in terms of the flow, the beats, the melody, and of course the wordplay. So yeah, those are the parameters, and basically मुझे सुनने में कैसा लग रहा है, that's the only criteria that I'll have for my ranking. So yes, let's start this listening party. I will put the timestamps of each song in the description box, so you can watch this video at one go, or you can go to your favorite video or your favorite song and see the reaction over there. So yes, let us begin. Starting with Still Here. All right.
It gives me a great deal of pleasure to introduce to you a man who needs no introduction. A man who on every occasion has given the best that he
Nice
has.
build-up.
I give you
ये है गहरा दर्द, ये है कड़वा सच. डील विद द डेविल, ये है मेरा कर्ज. ली थी जिम्मेदारी, ये है मेरा फर्ज. क्यों बने सारे यहाँ शेर बिना किए अर्ज. बुलंद है मेरे हौसले, हाँ देखे मैंने आते जाते बहुत से. हाँ इस दुनिया से जाना अनजान ये मेरा खौफ है. शायद सुने मुझे मेरी मौत पे है. हाँ इट्स अ कोल्ड प्लेस, लाइफ भी एक रैट रेस. ये है उनके लिए जिनके जिंदगी में सैड फेस. होप दिस म्यूजिक हेल्प्स यू थ्रू द बैड डेज. आसपास खाली बोतलें और भरी एस्ट्रेस. मेरे मन में नहीं बैठा कोई वहम. यू कैन ऑलवेज गेट दीस हैंड्स if you're fucking with the gang. अब बताना क्यों जरूरी जब ये जानते हुआ एम. देसी रैप का 44 कैलिबर किलर सन ऑफ सैम. सच नहीं बोलते मेरे एनिमीज. जब मिलोगे then keep the same energy. When I go करना पोर थोड़ी NSC. On a roll do it all for the legacy. मेरे जगह पे नहीं and you never be. मैंने रैपर बहुत टांगे like a centipede. दिल्ली शहर में पैदा है नाम रैपन जी. हर चीज की लगती यहाँ जैक जैसे टेनेसी. कमिटमेंट वाले इशू bro, I don't ever see love. Life marathon, everybody trying to keep up. थोड़ा फेम पाके लगे मिले जीत जब. चमचे घूमे इनके आसपास जैसे टी कप. No I don't fall for that. इनको तो चाहिए थोड़ा प्यार, I don't know for that. रात गुजारूं स्टूडियो में देना कॉल for caps. Dedicate करी है life and that's all for rap. कौन है साथ तुम्हारे crew for life. All I need is one mic, वो है true for life. कर वे उस पे खुद से घुस के खुद के पुश से भरोसा अगर मुझ पे I prove them right. Sell out बोला पर मैं sell out नहीं था. लगे सारे कौनी पर ये Kellogg's नहीं था. और मिडिल क्लास चाइल्ड कभी well off नहीं था. मैं तो grind पे ही रहा किया fell off नहीं था. It's on till I die, यही plan.
Ooh, I like how this line जो इसने बोला, मैं तो ग्राइंड पे ही रहा किया फेल ऑफ नहीं था, एंड देन यू हैव द इंटरल्यूड ट्रैक फॉल ऑफ जिसमें वो बोलता है कि आई एम नेवर गोना फॉल ऑफ. Oh wow, I like how the entire thing connects with fall off also. Nice.
It's on till I die, यही plan. करी थोड़ी मेहनत तो बने थोड़े bands. Thank you for the love, अगर बने मेरे fan पर तुम fan नहीं fam. इस आवाम till the end. Legendary जैसे B.I.G. पहचानने लगे लोग, I don't need ID. Fifth class भी मेरे लिए तब hard थी. मुश्किल से करी पास थी, आज पास पे है VIP. ऐसे ही फिर tables turn. Rappers get beat, no Ableton. जब देखा dead end आए मेरा turn. इन्हें सुनाई मुझे fable was these labels burn. लगता कुछ दिक्कत है नहीं, yeah. They don't wanna see me winning. Peace मैंने घर बैठे नोट गिने. 2021 I'm about to make a killing. मुझे सब दिखे clear. Hustle मेरी sincere. मुझे सब दिखे clear. दिल में ना fear. मुझे सब दिखे clear किया मैंने persevere मुझे सब दिखे clear that's why I'm still here.
Still here. Wow. Wow. I like it. I like it. This is, this really fits into the theme of the album. So I'm guessing the theme of this album, Still Here, is about him as a rapper still doing the hustle and being there despite all of the criticism, hate, struggles, love, appreciation, like everything that has been thrown to him, that has shaped him as a rapper, that he's still here, standing strong. So I really like this as an intro track. This gives a little glimpse. What I understood from the lyrics is that it gives a little glimpse into his life as a rapper, and he's trying to tell whoever is listening that आपने ये album सुनना start किया है, this is what you're getting into. If you're going to go one by one, this is what you're getting into. So let's see, because I already know the lyrics of Fall Off, and इसीलिए मैं connect कर पाई कि that being the interlude song and this being the intro song, it makes sense. It fits into the theme of the album, and I like how slowly it's a very, I don't know what do you call it in rap hip hop terms, that the beats are very mellow. When you consider, it's not a very hard, the lyrics of course they make sense, they are hard hitting, but not as hard hitting what you call as bars, तो उस हिसाब से I feel that this is a very good intro song, because आपको ये बता रहा है कि okay, this is what I'm going to take you through a journey. I'm going to take you through a journey of my life, basically. So yes, that was Still Here. That was the first track, and now we're going to move on to the second one, which is What's My Name. And I'm really intrigued with the title of this song, because maybe it's just Still Here was the intro song, and I think this is the beginning of his journey, because the song says What's My Name. So let's see what the lyrics are. I'm really excited. Wow, I'm really excited. I have really come to appreciate the way he writes his songs. Okay, all right.
No, मेरी गैंग सारी साथ we don't play. No, hype थोड़ी बहुत इनको दे. Though you don't really want more, better lay. रहने तू रहने ये बातें करे गैंग के, पर असलियत में नरम लगा ले मरहम या बैंडेड. No handshakes for these damn snakes. मेरे शहर में बंदे stick to that iron जैसे pancakes. Who's that? The king better crown me. हर line metaphor जैसे rap में है boundary. बोला मैं हूँ king better crown me. Rap में तुम जूनियर लगते हो रॉबर्ट डाउनी. लेट आया मैं करूँगा spit fire, ये करेंगे retire. I'm taking this shit higher. Whoa, चिल्लाया पर तुझ में ना skill पाया. Ink जाया करके भी जो ना लिख पाया. Whoa, skill है sick, जानते अब इलेक्ट्रिस. जीप मेरी clip इस double barrel से भी मिले kiss. इनके lips छोड़ू नीले जैसे मिले crips. जल्दी फाड़ू rapper जैसे birthday पे मिले gift. What's my name? 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 मैं हूँ real, ये तो feel करे सारे. तो कृष्णा भी जब बता रहे, अब ये नील करे सारे. छीना जा रहे, ये तो झील बने सारे. करता हूँ.
I'm just gonna pause here a little bit just to clarify from you guys. You can just share this in the comments with me. What's my name? Okay, initially जब मेरे को लगा कि maybe he's gonna start looking at the name, that maybe he's gonna tell us about the very beginning of his journey, because that's what the intro song sort of suggested. But ये lyrics देख के मुझे लग रहा है कि What's my name मतलब मेरा नाम already है. People know what's my name. People already know what is my name. He's trying to boast that. Is it? Please clarify that to me, because जो मेरी understanding है lyrics पढ़ के वो मुझे ये लगता है. If it is something wrong or if it's something else, please let me know.
स्टैंड आउट मास अपील करे सारे कहना जो कहना है कहने दो मैं सिकर जैसे वीक लेवर पे लिकर से पर नो फिकर और पैनिक मोड हैनिबल खाऊं रैपर जैसे कैनिबल करूंगा डैमेज लगूं मैं सैविज भी बैनिश एमेच्योर्स द माइक्रोफोन रेकर भाई से कौन बेहतर लाया साइक्लोन वेदर क्लिक क्लैक लिरिकल रैप आया यहाँ कौन लेकर आई एम नोन बेटर
See, that's what he's saying. That's what I meant. जब मैंने बोला ना कि that he already is saying that people already know my name. That's what he says. I am known better. Leave the mic alone, brother. Right? Who's that? The microphone wrecker. So he's sort of like boasting or asserting that my name is already known. Huh?
Cologne brother आजकल ये लाइट वेट्स करे मेरा टाइम वेस्ट माइंड पेपर शिट माइट गेट अगली जैसे ब्लाइंड डेट्स ग्राइंड टेक व्हेन आई राइम बढ़ता क्राइम रेट ये है डॉलर साइन हर लाइन करे डिफाइन ग्रेट
I think that's what he's trying to say. Not bad. Not bad. Though between Still Here and What's My Name, I like Still Here better. I like Still Here better. That's more like I vibe more to that song. So yes, that was What's My Name. So please let me know अगर मैंने lyrics correctly interpret किया, अगर गलत interpret किया है तो please correct me in the comment section because you know I am not a know-it-all. Of course, I don't know so many things. So yes, that was the second track, and the third one is going to be Roll Up featuring Badshah. I'm really excited to check the song out because this has a music video. So I mean, Badshah as an artist, I'm not very fond of him. I'm really, honestly मैं बोलूँ तो because I really enjoy very few of his songs, very few. Like I'll tell you, उसका जो एक गाना है जो मैं दिल से बहुत enjoy किया है, which was the party song because it sounded like a really nice party anthem, which was for the movie Khoobsurat. I really like that song. Then that's it. I think that is the only song of Badshah I truly enjoyed as a listener because you know at that point of time. You know, there were no good party songs and this one came and I really loved it. So yeah, but I like him as a human being. Badshah is a nice person. I just don't vibe to his music. So I'm really excited to see this collaboration and the song is called Roll Up. So yeah, without dealing this, let's watch the third track from this album. All right. Also, do let me know your preferential ranking. आपको कौन सा गाना सबसे अच्छा लगा and कौन सा गाना मतलब I'm guessing आपको सारे ही अच्छे लगे, but you know your ranking that okay this was the best and this is the one I liked the least. All right, let's watch Roll Up.
Yeah, dollar sign one time. When I roll up, सारे लौंडे फेंके gang signs, everybody knows. When I roll up, शीशे नीचे पूरे night मैं तो ride करूँ slow. When I roll up, सारे लौंडे फेंके gang signs, everybody knows. When I roll up, शीशे नीचे पूरे night मैं तो ride करूँ slow. Roll up, no defeat आया जीत के, street से सीख के इरादे मेरे deep थे वास्ते मेरे भी ये संगीत से. Atlantis है ये rap गहरे नाते मेरे beat से. जीत रहे किए इनके लिए नहीं है सन में.
I really like this reference of Atlantis गहरे नाते मेरे beat से. I mean, I really like the reference of Atlantis. I'm guessing he's referring to the Atlantis kingdom, which is of Aquaman, which is in Aquaman, huh? If not, again, I'm sorry.
रैप गहरे नाते मेरे बीट से. जीत रहे किए इनके लिए नहीं है सन मैंने. बोलते लिरिक्स रख सिंपल थोड़ा आराम ले ले. आज उन्हीं लिरिक्स से बनाई है पहचान मैंने. दारू वाला नहीं पर छोड़ा इन्हें बेजान मैंने. ताड़े समझ में ना आए क्या, बाल बचे जैसे यहाँ कोई नहीं था. चुप के चले चाल बीफ में कसाई का. दिखे जरा फेम अब बनेगा तू भी भाई क्या. मेरा दौर आया मूड हुआ खराब इनका. होता अफसोस देख के मुझे यहाँ आज जिंदा. पर सूखी घास में मिलता नहीं है खास दिन का. मुझे चाहिए लेगेसी तुझे कमाना 5 दिन का. मैंने सब बनाया खुद जैसे B&Q साथ मेरे बादशाह गेड़ियां पूरी
B&Q?
रात था डॉलर साइन दिखे ज्यादा जैसे डाला है डाका When I roll up सारे लौंडे वेंके gang signs everybody knows When I roll up शीशे नीचे पूरे night मैं तो ride करूं slow When I roll up सारे लौंडे वेंके gang signs everybody knows
They both look
When
amazing
I
by the
roll
way.
up शीशे नीचे पूरे night मैं तो ride करूं slow
डाले अपने सिक्योरिटी गार्ड में कल अनपाड़ में तर जैसे ताड़ में उठा तूफान हो जैसे रेगिस्तान में टन बोलकर शारजा 1998 वैगन के आगे से आर हटाया पीछे लगा जी पंजाबी में सिरा कराया आगे लगा जी वो चाहे मेरा एंड मेरा पीछे लगा बी वर्स ऐसी ड्रॉप करी मैंने पीछे लगा री सब नंबरों का गेम बॉय व्यूज को मार गोली आजा तू स्ट्रीम्स में फोर्ब्स के मुताबिक वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट पेज लेकिन नाच भी मार लेकिन लेता नहीं फीस में शरारत होने वाली है इन्हें पता नहीं इनकी क्या हालत होने वाली है निशाना मेरा कभी चूका नहीं कृष्णा है साथ में महाभारत होने वाली है थोड़ी बुद्धि गरम करवाना लियो गुद्दी गरम पीरागढ़ी के फ्लाईओवर जैसे हाई वेस्ट दिल्ली के लौंडे हमें कुत्ती फरम भाई
When I roll up
Okay. Badshah, why doesn't he do? Okay, now just see this. I loved it. I loved his verse. There was so much swag into it. ये क्यों ऐसे गाने नहीं करता? I mean, do all the commercial stuff that you do. But एक आध ऐसे गाने भी निकाल सकता है बादशाह. I mean, suits him, yeah. It suits him. He has the swag. He has that attitude. And I mean, it's gonna be fire if he just releases a couple of songs like this. What do you guys think, huh? Nothing against his commercial kind of songs. I just don't vibe to it personally. But people love it. I mean, the general masses love it. But I'm gonna run that back again. I really like. Okay, this is a really nice song. I really like this song.
डाले
I
अपने
actually really like this
सिक्योरिटी
song.
गार्ड में कल अनपाड़ में तर जैसे ताड़ में उठा तूफान हो जैसे रेगिस्तान
Did you like
में टन
Badshah's verse?
बोलकर
Let me know.
शारजा 1998 वैगन के आगे से आर हटाया पीछे लगा जी पंजाबी में सिरा कराया आगे लगा जी वो चाहे मेरा एंड मेरा पीछे लगा बी वर्स ऐसी ड्रॉप करी मैंने पीछे लगा री सब नंबरों का गेम बॉय व्यूज को मार गोली आजा तू स्ट्रीम्स में फोर्ब्स के मुताबिक वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट पेज लेकिन नाच भी मार लेकिन लेता नहीं फीस में शरारत होने वाली है इन्हें पता नहीं इनकी क्या हालत होने वाली है निशाना मेरा कभी चूका नहीं कृष्णा है साथ में महाभारत होने वाली है थोड़ी बुद्धि गरम करवाना लियो गुद्दी गरम पीरागढ़ी
I
के
love this
फ्लाईओवर
side of
जैसे
Badshah.
हाई वेस्ट दिल्ली के लौंडे हमें कुत्ती फरम भाई
When I roll up सारे लौंडे वेंके gang signs everybody knows When I roll up शीशे नीचे पूरे night मैं तो ride करूं slow When I roll up सारे लौंडे वेंके gang signs everybody knows When I roll up शीशे नीचे पूरे night मैं तो ride करूं slow
Ooh, I like this. Nice. I really enjoyed this. I loved it. But what I really liked was that this was a nice combination of, it had the commercial feel. But it had really good lyrics also. Like I said, for Badshah, I loved Badshah in this. I loved it. He sounds, I think, and their voices really went well together because Badshah has a very, his voice is really deep. When he deepens his voice, I really like that. And his Badshah, sounds very smooth. He has that technique of, sounding extremely soft, smooth, but with swag and attitude. So that's the thing, that flavor of Badshah I really like. And these kind of lyrics, like the way he was rapping here, I don't know, he should do that more. I mean, do your commercial stuff, but this was such a pleasant thing to watch with Krishna and Badshah. This looks like such a nice collab, and yes, it has that commercial feel to it. That's why it's a nice combo. It was very well balanced because just because this video featured Badshah, the essence of Krishna, what Krishna is known for, because that line, वो जो line है जहाँ पे उसने बोला कि लोग कहते हैं थोड़ा lyrics पे कम ध्यान दे, you know, थोड़ा chill कर, but his lyrics is what made him Krishna today. So that essence is still maintained in this song. So yes, I'll give the ranking later. I'll give my preferential ranking later, but I absolutely enjoyed this song. This was a nice delight, surprise, and that this side of Badshah specifically for me, I was very happy to see. So yes, that was Roll Up. I'm so enjoying this listening party. This is something very new for me. Listening to rap. It's only very recently that I've started listening to rap. So मुझे भी अच्छा लग रहा है कुछ नया सुन के. Okay, now the fourth track is Villain. This also has a music video. This features two artists, Karma and Ikka. Now I don't know these artists. I'm guessing they are also rappers. So yes, let's see this track. At least मुझे कृष्णा के साथ दो और नए आर्टिस्ट पता चल रहे हैं, कर्मा एंड इक्का. विलन. इसका तो फील ही अलग है. ओके हाँ ओह माय गॉड, कृष्णा का ही अवतार.
इस खेल का मैं विलन, हाँ विलन, हाँ विलन. लगूं जैसे अमरीश पुरी, अपनी कला को दी है मैंने भी जान, फिर भी मिला नहीं ये नाम, मैंने प्राण जैसे जंजीर तोड़ी. अब बोल मेरे हमदर्द कौन, I'm feeling like I'm अमजद खान. अब बोल मेरे हमदर्द कौन, I'm feeling like I'm अमजद खान. क्यों ऐसे लगे जैसे मेहनत की है बहुत, बनने की एक बॉस काफी मैंने दी है कॉस्ट. सक्सेस से ना सहमति ना मैंने लिए लॉस, हाँ पीऊं थोड़ी हैनेसी ये एनिमी से सॉफ्ट. बड़े ईगो ये बने रखे हीरो, अराउंड दीज रैपर्स I'm kg like a kilo. अकाउंट में है जीरोस गेट ग्रीन जैसे सीलो, सारी फुटेज खा के ये दे रहे हैं मुझे बीरो. अंडररेटेड पर बना मैं अंडररेटेड, मोस्ट हेटेड इन द गेम पर चढ़ा मैं अनअबेटेड, डेडिकेटेड और बना मैं
When he's saying that he is most hated, I mean, I'm guessing he's talking about like his contemporaries hate him the most, because his fans obviously love him. But I'm guessing that's what he means, right?
ना मैं underrated, most hated in the game पर चढ़ा मैं unabated, dedicated और बना मैं elevated, पर कभी ना celebrated जैसे फिल्म मेरी rated R. मुझे credit नहीं मिला इस game का, चस्का लेना fame का ना कभी मेरा aim था. हूँ मैं गैम्बो इस खेल का, बेफिक्र क्योंकि जिक्र मेरे name का. इस खेल का मैं villain, हाँ villain, हाँ villain. लगूं जैसे अमरीश पुरी, अपनी कला को दी है मैंने भी जान, फिर भी मिला नहीं ये नाम, मैंने प्राण जैसे जंजीर तोड़ी. अब बोल मेरे हमदर्द कौन, I'm feeling like I'm अमजद खान. अब बोल मेरे हमदर्द कौन, I'm feeling like I'm अमजद खान.
बना के डाले 36 सॉन्ग, कभी कभी मिले थोड़ा कम रिस्पॉन्स, तभी भी मैं करूँ पूरे मन से काम. आई थिंक आई डिजर्व मोर कसम से. विवेक अमजद खान कर्म गब्बर है, कर्म घर पर है, काम फैला घर घर है. ऐसा है सोचे मैंने घर भरे, अभी भी काफी जिम्मेदारी मेरे सर पर है. पिक्चर में जान मैंने डाली, हीरो कोई और, काम टॉप यहाँ बड़े जीरो कहीं और. सीना सामने पीठ पे किले गड़ी 100, मेहनत पूरी पूरी की और मिली 2 करोड़ों वाला काम 1000 में कमाई. वो पूछे ब्लू टिक क्यों नहीं मांग लेते भाई, मिली छाप देनी आप, फिर भी आप है ता भाई, जितना आर्ट को है दिया उसका हाफ भी नहीं पाया. फक इट.
इस खेल का मैं विलन, हाँ विलन, हाँ विलन. लगूं जैसे अमरीश पुरी, अपनी कला को दी है मैंने भी जान, फिर भी मिला नहीं ये नाम, मैंने प्राण जैसे जंजीर तोड़ी. बोल मेरे हमदर्द कौन, I'm feeling like I'm अमजद खान. अब बोल मेरे हमदर्द कौन, I'm feeling like I'm अमजद खान.
पहले मकसद जान क्यों बना मैं मिस्टर अमजद खान, बीइंग ह्यूमन के मुंह घोटे के मैं पीछे सलमान. हमने सीन करा किल पर कोई और बदनाम, मेरे नाम पे किताब कहीं पड़े लगे फंगस. सक्सेस की मैं शिप पे नटोरियस कोलंबस, कहने को तो है ये परिवार बहुत ह्यूमंगस, पर अपने सीना चीरते हैं इट्स लाइक अमंग अस. डेथ वैली में मैं वॉक करूं, डेथ थ्रो वाली चेन बेटा रॉक करूं, फेक साइड किक अपनी कॉमिक से मैं क्रॉप करूं. पैन 18 साल से मैं हिप हॉप करूं. तूफान के जज्बात को तुम फूंक से क्या हाइप दोगे, 12 साल का ये काटा हसल रखा नाइफ ठोके. ऑस्कर मिलेगा लेजर जैसे लाइफ खोके, आत्मा ये अमर तुम मुझे क्या ही लाइफ दोगे.
इस खेल का मैं विलन, हाँ विलन, हाँ विलन. लगूं जैसे अमरीश पुरी, अपनी कला को दी है मैंने भी जान, फिर भी मिला नहीं ये नाम, मैंने प्राण जैसे जंजीर तोड़ी. ये बोल मेरे हमदर्द कौन, I'm
गब्बर वाली लाफ दी है ना एंड में, you know what, the lyrics इसमें firstly what I feel, ये सिर्फ मेरी interpretation है because song can be interpreted in many ways and these are all just first listens, so once I listen to it even more and get in depth with the lyrics, maybe I'll try and unravel the lyrics even more. But with my first watch and listen, firstly I feel that the lyrics are obviously pretty dark, but there is a sense of pain. I mean, they are putting, it's like they are putting a brave face, they are putting a brave face sorry, they are putting a brave face, but there is a hint of pain and frustration also, because आप एक जो होता है ना एक aggression कि मैं villain बन गया, मैं hustle कर रहा हूँ but I'm still considered as the villain. So and that line that you know Oscar मिलेगा you know Ledger जैसे Heath Ledger when he died and then he got recognized and got an Oscar. Of course he died for you know very different reason, but you get the reference. You get the reference is that people remember you more and your contributions more after you are not there. When you are there, they probably you know just hate on you. और ये बहुत celebrities के साथ you know real life में भी होता है, right? And so you can, so the lyrics are dark but they are painful. वो अपना pain repackage करके you know they're putting up a brave face and they're you know singing this song. That's what I feel. That's what I feel. Because वो होता है ना कि in rappers, when it comes to rap, generally is what I feel is that the rappers tend to show very less vulnerability in their songs. You know, the lyrics are as such कि आप अपना pain भी बता रहे हो, but you are saying that I'm not gonna back down. You're putting up a brave face. So that's what it felt to me, you know, as a viewer and as a listener, that there is a lot of pain inside, but they are channeling all of it to work even harder, hustle even more, and prove everybody wrong. बहुत ज़्यादा ज्ञान दे दिया. Yes, I know, guys, I know. So yes, that was Villain, another really nice song. Now the fifth track from this album is Dream, and इसका कोई music video नहीं है, so I'm gonna of course listen to the lyric video. I'm gonna watch the lyric video, and yes, let's just listen to this song now. It's like I'm the villain, but I'm not gonna stop
Ladies
dreaming.
and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow's Terminal 5, and it is approaching 6:05 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off.
14 साल लंदन शहर लिखा पहला रैप, वो था मोमेंट फेल इन लव विद द पेन एंड पैड. मेरे पास भी था वेल जैसे मेन इन ब्लैक. स्कूल में देते धमकी, मैं भी सन की आज सेंड इट बैक. स्कूल का सबसे पॉपुलर रैपर था ट्रॉय. रेडियो पे उसके गाने एवरीबॉडी न्यू द बॉय. उसने नाम दिया मुझे अंडरकवर था क्योंकि शक्ल से शरीफ, बट ऑन द माइक आई फक इट अप. वैलिडेशन थोड़ी आने लगी हाथ. स्कूल में गैंगस्टर देते भाव.
Oh my God, is he narrating his life? I think this here he's actually talking about his entire journey, how he started. He went to London to study and then how he started getting into rap and all of that. You know, this album, this is only like half the album done, sort of like आधा album मैंने किया है. You can see it's coming from a very, very personal space. It's just not about wordplay and him trying to prove a point or anything. I think he's really shared, like these are all personal experiences, personal, personal things that has happened to him in his life, and that's what he has actually written down. Oh wow, so this is okay.
रेडियो पे उसके गाने एवरीबॉडी न्यू द बॉय. उसने नाम दिया मुझे अंडरकवर था क्योंकि शक्ल से शरीफ, बट ऑन द माइक आई फक इट अप. वैलिडेशन थोड़ी आने लगी हाथ. स्कूल में गैंगस्टर देते भाव, करने लगे मुझसे बात. इब्राहिम बना दोस्त, सुनता कॉर्मेगा और नाज. उसकी वजह से मैंने जाके रिकॉर्डिंग करी स्टार्ट. बांसफील्ड स्टेट में था किसी का स्टू जिसमें गाना रिकॉर्ड करने की इच्छा थी मेरी खूब. तो नाम रखा फिक्सर और बनाया मैंने क्रू. बने हम द रॉयल रैपर्स इन 2002. That's how it goes. आज just had a dream since I was just a teen. करना चाहता था मैं रैप, बनाना चाहता था मैं scene. Yeah, I just had a dream. जब इनको न यकीन, put my city on my back, आज scene है scene. Yeah, I just had a dream since I was just a teen. करना चाहता था मैं रैप, बनाना चाहता था मैं scene. Yeah, I just had a dream. जब इनको न यकीन, put my city on my back, आज scene है scene. चर्चा होने लगी, बढ़ने लगी बात, मुझे अपनाने लगे लड़के जो स्कूल में थे हार्ड. That's Krishna, he's safe man, he can rap in it. Oh, you Krishna, bruv, can you rap for a minute? My bro, ऐसी बातें सुन के मैं भी होने लगा खुश. Hanging with the crooks, मेरी बदली पूरी look. Baggy tracks, Air Max on my foot. Rock करता पार का jacket with the fur on the hood. अब MC fixer हो गया addict सा, खरीदा सस्ता माइक और लगाया on the mixer. रिकॉर्ड करे जाके मैंने टेप पे टेप, वर्सेस थे एक से एक देख. I know you get the picture. मैं था खुश, मैंने ढूंढी अपनी कॉलिंग. रात को पायरेट रेडियो स्टेशन पे करता कॉल इन. अब जैसे ही स्कूल में मुझे थोड़ी पहचान मिली, next thing I know I'm on a flight back to Delhi. What the fuck? I just had a dream since I was just a teen. करना चाहता था मैं रैप, बनाना चाहता था मैं scene.
He's literally
Yeah, I
sharing
just
his
had a
life.
dream. जब इनको न यकीन, put my city on my back, आज scene है scene. Yeah, I just had a dream since I was just a teen. करना चाहता था मैं रैप, बनाना चाहता था मैं scene. Yeah, I just had a dream. जब इनको न यकीन, put my city on my back, आज scene है scene. उम्र 16, दिल्ली भी लगने लगा अब नया. सोचता था मैं अक्सर यार किधर फंस गया. जो बनाया वो गवाया, मुझे बहुत फिक्र, क्योंकि किसी को हिप हॉप का ना थोड़ा भी शौक इधर. स्कूल की कॉपी के पीछे लिखता था लिरिक्स, अपने फेवरेट रैपर के फ्लो भी करता था मैं मिमिक. ऐसे निकले 2 साल, आई थॉट इट वाज फिनिश. पर 18 पे कॉलेज में मेरी बनने लगी इमेज. मिले सुमन और टूडू जिनको रैप का था शौक. हमने बनाया एक ग्रुप, इलिसिट कैश मॉब. 2005 रिकॉर्ड किए कुछ गाने हमने. हिप हॉप नाइट दिल्ली में लोग भी पहचाने हमें. यंग एंड हंग्री वो दिन अब लगते हैं बेस्ट. We didn't rap for the checks, we just rap for respect.
Yes,
2006 में
wow.
solo artist बना next. नाम रखा prospect, I guess you know the rest. I just had a dream since I was just a teen. करना चाहता था मैं रैप, बनाना चाहता था मैं scene. Yeah, I just had a dream. जब इनको न यकीन, put my city on my back, आज scene है scene. Yeah, I just had a dream since I was just a teen. करना चाहता था मैं रैप, बनाना चाहता था मैं scene. Yeah, I just had a dream. जब इनको न यकीन, put my city on my back, आज scene है scene.
रिव्यू सचिनों में सूचित करते हुए प्रसन्नता है कि हम समय से पहले दिल्ली के अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे
Now he's coming back to Delhi. Starting वाला जो था announcement that was going to London, and this is back to Delhi. Wow, okay, the lyrics for this, now this is a song which I feel I was concentrating on the beats. I'll tell you honestly, because I was so into the lyrics. जैसे मुझे समझ आया कि वो अपनी life story बता रहा है, I was completely into the lyrics. I mean, somebody who needs a crash course on Krishna probably should just listen to the song. पता चल जाएगा कि how he started and all of that. The name of his group, what name he kept, the years, everything is like, this is crystal clear mentioned. I mean, this is a very direct song. I mean, this is more about his life. Obviously, इसमें आप कोई bars is what you call, right? You can't look for bars in these kind of songs. This is emotional. This is an emotional connect. Like Krishna has literally shared his life with everybody. That how he started and how he got interested in rap and all of that. This is a very straightforward song. I like the drums wala beat. I really like that it was very consistent in terms of drums. But I was really, I probably अगर मुझे ऐसे गाने के हिसाब से सुनना है तो I have to listen to it one more time, because I was more concentrating on the lyrics than the beats and whatever was the music. So yes, I really personally enjoyed this because it was his life. It was about his life. I'll give you my ranking last minute. Okay, then Fall Off is a song I love. I absolutely love. But I'm not going to react to it because I've already reacted to it. And I'm going to move on to Sazae Mauth featuring Raftaar. Now this is a song which has been requested a lot in the comment section. You guys told me this is a fabulous song. So yes, fabulous है तो सुनना बनता है ना. But obvious. So this is with Raftaar. I like Raftaar a lot. as a person. उसके इतने गाने मैंने सुने नहीं है. I think again उसका commercial गाना ही मैंने सुना है जो नोरा फतेही के साथ आया था because that went viral, right? And it was an okay song. I mean, nothing really very forgettable song, but I'm sure he's much more than that. I majorly know him because of Roadies. So yes, let's witness the Raftaar the rapper for the first time. मुझे थोड़ा intense लग रहा है.
Yeah, is that R to the R bar bar.
देखे मुझे मत बोल के शब्द बोले obsessed too much talk. Down boys मेरा block करे red southwest that's too much sauce. दिल में बड़ा है खौफ तू बड़ा है soft तू डरा है बहुत.
नई दिल्ली
इनको चढ़ा है शौक तो लगा है चौक ये गाना में सजा है. देखे मुझे मत बोल के शब्द बोले obsessed too much talk. G-Town boys मेरा block करे red southwest that's too much sauce. दिल में भरा है खौफ तू बड़ा है soft तू डरा है बहुत. इनको चढ़ा है शौक तो लगा है चौक ये गाना है सजा है मौत. मेरे शहर में लौंडे हाजिर काफी काबिल गैंग में दाखिल. रैपर्स करते बातें I don't care what who's saying like नासिर. Savage जाहिल काम में माहिर बीट पे लगता शायर. तू दिल से कायर मिलके गायर ड्राइव बाय स्विफ्ट डिजायर. क्या चल रहा है बोल यहाँ हल्ला है शोर. मेरे शहर में लोग करे स्प्रे you can catch these strays like Fendi Ghost. Tell me who run it. बंदूक चले बैम जैसे बू बने. दिल्ली शहर if you really want smoke क्या करेगा चौक पर दूषण है. बातें इनकी लगी मुझे बेक.
I think for me the beats of the song, like I find them the best. I'm just talking about the beats.
अगर नाम नहीं लिया मेरा एक बार if it's dollar sign then it's KR. रहमान देता शॉट्स जैसे AR. Ballin, Neymar, drillin, 1-4. मैं ना victim I'm more like Vikram might pull up with a ghost that's बेतार. काम ऐतिहासिक
इसे पढ़ना पड़ेगा.
मुकाम मैंने किया है हासिल कैसे आखिर माइक पे बना मैं कातिल. तू बना क्यों नाग तू बना क्यों सांप तू बना क्यों शातिर. तू आ रहा क्यों पास तू कर रहा क्यों बात तू सड़ा क्यों जाके. देख के मुझे मत भौक एक शब्द बोले ऑप that's too much talk. G-Town boys मेरा ब्लॉक करे rap southwest that's too much sauce. दिल में भरा है खौफ तू बड़ा है soft तू डरा है बहुत. इनको चढ़ा है शौक तो लगा है चौक ये गाना है सजा है मौत.
गला ये घोट गला जो चला तो सजा है मौत. गला ये घोट
Wait.
गला जो चला.
Did he change his voice? He's because ऐसी नहीं है उसकी आवाज obviously. Ooh, okay. He's like sounding even more savage.
Rap southwest that's too much sauce.
Okay, I didn't
दिल
expect
में
that.
भरा है खौफ तू बड़ा है soft तू डरा है बहुत.
Growling.
इनको चढ़ा है शौक तो लगा है चौक ये गाना है सजा है मौत.
गला ये घोट गला जो चला तो सजा है मौत. गला ये घोट गला जो चला तो सजा है मौत. सजा है मौत या सजा है मौत या. अब होंगी मिलके बातें दिल्ली में मिलेंगे दिल मिलाते. गने बने वाली करे फिल्मी बातें मिले धन धन भर दूंगा इनमें चाटे. बिन बता के मिलूंगा ना दिन बता के जिन लगा के मिलूंगा ना जिम लगा के. जिम में बातें मेरे मिले जिस जगह पे झंझनाट कानों में बिन पटाके. ये मेरा फर्ज है इनका तो पर्ची मर्ज है. मुझ पे ना खाने को तरस है इनको चटाने को फर्श है. अब ना ये चूहों का वर्ष है. हमने बनाया गेम तुमने लगाया गेम.
We're not the same.
अब लूं मैं किसका नेम too many snakes to blame.
देख के मुझे मत भौक एक शब्द बोले ऑप that's too much talk. G-Town boys मेरा ब्लॉक करे rap southwest that's too much sauce. दिल में भरा है खौफ तू बड़ा है soft तू डरा है बहुत. इनको चढ़ा है शौक तो लगा है चौक ये गाना है सजा है मौत.
लगूं मैं
I love
पॉप
it.
करूं मैं स्मोक बॉडीज विद
Getting added to my playlist.
खाने और कोट खाने में नोट गिरे चित्रोट.
सजा है मौत.
लोगों पर करते नहीं कोक हिना दे बैंडो वी डोप.
सजा है मौत.
ना we never broke. Winners never broke.
Winners are never broke. Yo! This was... Oh my god, I loved it. I freaking loved it. I loved it. एकदम मतलब एक नंबर बोलते हैं ना. एक नंबर. ये बहुत ही सही गाना था यार. This is... Wow. I loved it, guys. Both the rappers, like how well it sounded, both of them. And Raftaar, though I didn't expect him to growl like that and change his voice. The beats, the lyrics, everything. I loved both, like the beats and the lyrics both. I think the beats are my favorite here. Till now, मेरे दिमाग में Fall Off था. Fall Off was like, because I have already listened to that song. Fall Off was still the number one. But I think maybe it's Saza Maut now. We'll see. Let me listen to the rest of the songs. Now, Nahe Time is another song which I like because I really enjoy trap music. So, Nahe Time is a song which was very different. I think it's still, I would say, you know, when I reacted to Nahe Time, I said that okay, this was a very different version of Krishna that I'm seeing. And here also, out of all the songs, I feel Nahe Time is the most different song, followed by Dream. Dream is also a very, very different song in terms of, you know, in terms of listening. Because it's very personal, and the beats, like I said, I have to actually listen to it again. Because I really did not concentrate much on the beats. But yes, Nahe Time is a song that I really, really like because I love trap. So yes, now we are here on the last song, which is called Living Legend, which features Rashmit Kaur. I'm guessing she's also another rapper or a singer, I don't know. But yes, I'm really excited because this also has a video. Living Legend. I really like how the outro track is called Living Legend. I mean, I really like how he has named the intro track as Still Here, the interlude as Fall Off, and the outro Living Legend. I mean, it's a very personal album. It's a very, very personal album. I can just see it from the lyrics also. Alright, let's react to the last track and then I'll tell you my preferential ranking. And this is just in first listen, though I feel that because Fall Off and Nahe Time, मैंने multiple times सुना है. So my affinity towards those songs, I understand those songs much better. And probably if I listen to all of these songs again and again, this is just my ranking, knowing the songs at this moment. Maybe वो होता है ना कि आप एक गाना multiple times सुनते हो तो the preference goes up and down. So yes. I hope one day I can get Krishna on the channel. Yes!
Still here. Let's go.
I'm just pausing and I want to start again. I want to run that back again because I didn't expect it to have this beat. This is a beat that I know because ये commercial songs में मैंने बहुत सुना है, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा सुना है. So I really like that this album is a mix of different kind of songs. We have like the hardcore rap also, a very personal song. We have trap also. Then we have, you know, a commercial beat like this also. This is great. Okay, I want to run this back again. She sounds amazing by the way. Legends never die. So true.
$sign one time.
The beat drop was really nice.
Still here. Let's go. सलाह मेरी अब कलाकारी मुझे फले तेरी कलम जला तो तेरी कला को जला देगी गला तेरी ना सच्ची है तू तो बड़ा वेली इनकी जगह ले ली तो जिंदगी भी अब दगा देरी वो हराम किया इनका मैंने जीना भाया खून और पसीना सब कुछ क्लियर है एक्वाफीना लाइक वो नेट पे बैठे बोले वन लव आई डोंट गिव अ सर्विंग दीस रैपर्स अब जैसे मैं सेरीना वो कौन अचीवर ये तो साफ है काफी आना तानी करना ताका झाकी ये कलम में ज्यादा भारी टोकियो ना मुझे क्यों तू मरना चाहता जानी गेम है मुझे प्यारी I'm a Hiroshima Nagasaki अरे अरे क्यों लगे ये डरे डरे
Oh, that line, I'm guessing that was a really nice way to.
कौन अचीवर ये तो साफ है काफी आना तानी करना ताका झाकी ये कलम में ज्यादा
How
भारी
we change
टोकियो
that?
ना मुझे
Tokyo ना
क्यों
मुझे
तू
and
मरना
then
चाहता जानी
Kyoto.
गेम है मुझे प्यारी I'm a Hiroshima Nagasaki अरे अरे क्यों लगे ये डरे डरे देखे मुझे आगे बढ़े
That
तो
was
सड़े
smart.
पड़े ये खड़े खड़े जले पड़े हम ऐसे नहीं पले बड़े मुझसे क्यों ये लड़े मरे हार भी अब इनके गले चढ़े फ्लो आईसी माहौल लगे मॉस्को तेरा भाई लगे बॉलर नो कॉस्को देखे यहाँ आते जाते मैंने बहुत लोग that red dot will make you do a dash जैसे Morse code लगाई क्लास लिखाई मेरी खास कामयाबी की है भूख और विरासत की है प्यास हाँ कालिदास हर गाना है इतिहास जाऊंगा मैं आज तो करेंगे मुझे याद हाँ
Nice.
Living legend, living legend, living legend तेरा भाई living legend, living legend, living legend till I die कठिन रास्ते तू जांच ले हम हाफते नहीं सांप भरे घास में हम फासले से भागते नहीं छिपे इनके राज पैसे बांट ले ये नाचते भी रैप मेरी यार तो फिर लड़ूंगा समाज से ही लेजेंड्स नेवर डाई दे राइज करेंगे फाइट के लाइज करें डिवाइड पर गाइस करे डिनाई ये ग्राइंड करे भाई तो राइज करेगा हाई सच्चाई करेगा राइट तो हाइप बनेगा माइक पे दीन ईमान नहीं खोया मैंने पाया जो बोया जितना चाया नहीं खाया फिर भी मैंने पाया है धोखा द सिटी आई रैन जैसे हूँ मैं आया टोला तू आए थोड़ा आया तो लाया फायर अब सफाया होगा गोद भरे मेम ने अब गोद बने गेम में साउंड करे सेम ये तो लेम लगे नेम से भगवान मेरा नेम से ज्वाला मेरा एम देख हॉल ऑफ फेम नहीं डालो मुझे हॉल ऑफ फ्लेम में लगाई क्लास लिखाई मेरी खास कामयाबी की है भूख और विरासत की है प्यास हाँ कालिदास हर गाना है इतिहास जाऊंगा मैं आज तो करेंगे मुझे याद हाँ
This is a really nice outro track to end it like this.
living legend living legend living legend तेरा भाई living legend living legend living legend till I die
Still here, background में बोल रहा हूँ. Nice. I really liked her. I really liked her. Rashmit Kaur. Woo! Yes! Yes! Finally, I have listened to all the songs. Woo! That concludes the listening/reaction party for Krishna's album Still Here. I feel as an album overall, I like the variety of songs I did not expect it in terms of I knew that there was one trap song because Na Hai Time मैंने already सुन लिया था, but even Living Legend which is a nice song, but yes, it has a bit commercial flavor to it, which I like, of course, which I like. And then a song like Dream also. There's a lot of variety in this album. So for me, the biggest surprise for me in this album, where a very pleasant surprise, was Sazaye Mauth featuring Raftaar. I think that song takes the cake for me. I loved it. I really, really loved it. It was fantastic. It was fantastic. So yes, this is just my first listen ranking. Of course, Fall Off और Naya Time मैंने बहुत बार सुन लिया है. But yes, just basis of my listening right now, Sazaye Mauth is number 1. Okay, let's see. So I want to know your preferences also, guys. So Sazaye Mauth is definitely number 1 for me. Fall Off second, definitely second. Third, I would say Villain. I think that the song sort of, I felt like this was the most painful song in terms of lyrics and in terms of projecting what they're feeling. This was a very painful song. So Villain definitely is third. Still Here, I really like the intro track. I really, really like the intro track. That's fourth. Fifth, I would say would be in terms of beats and all, I think I would put both Na Hai Time and Living Legend in fifth. Very different songs from this album, so I really like that variety. So I'm gonna place them together. That's fifth. Sixth is gonna be definitely Dream, because I feel ये जो पूरा गाना है, this is extremely personal to him, and I loved the lyrics. I think lyric wise Dream was like it hits you emotionally when you come to know that, you know, how he dreamt of, like, you know, becoming a rapper when he went there to London and he discovered his love for rap. and then he came back to Delhi and all of that. It's very well explained. It's so clear. I mean, it's a very direct sort of song that I liked. And again, you know, in terms of variety, this was a very different song. So even if I have to put Na Hai Time, Living Legend and Dream at one slot, I would do that because of the variety that it gives to the entire album. Then of course the final ones in no particular order, I would say Roll Up and What's My Name. That's it. Roll Up I really like. I would say Roll Up upar hai, and then final would be What's My Name. Because What's My Name is the kind of song in terms of beats and all also जो मैं शायद इतना ना सुनूं, but Roll Up still I feel that this was a good collaboration in terms of Badshah, you know, spitting fire. I really like that. So yes, Roll Up and What's My Name would be like the least preferred song for me. Maybe I wouldn't listen to it as much as the other songs. Like Sazaye Maut is something that I told you jab maine react kiya tha, that this is getting added to my playlist immediately. So yes, that was my reaction and my preferential ranking, my thoughts on the entire Still Here album by Krishna. Firstly, very nice album, very personal album, great lyrics. I feel that yes, Krishna also mentioned it while he was rapping, that it's his lyrics that has made him what he is. You know, when you listen to the name Krishna, you know, you associate him with amazing lyrics, amazing bars, wordplay, whatever you want to call it. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this long reaction. I hope you have watched the entire thing, or maybe you have watched your favorite video reaction. So yeah, hope you've still come to the end and have enjoyed this reaction. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll sign off now and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.